In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add emergency contact in Airbnb. Adding an emergency contact is a smart safety step for any trip. It gives Airbnb a trusted person to reach if something urgent comes up while you're traveling or hosting, and it only takes a minute to set up. Start by opening your browser and going to Airbnb.com. If you aren't already signed in, log into your account with your usual credentials so you can access your settings. Once you're in, look toward the top of the page near your profile. Click the three horizontal lines, sometimes called the menu or hamburger icon, next to your profile picture. This opens the main navigation menu where you can manage your account. From that menu, choose Account Settings. This is where Airbnb keeps your personal details and security options. On the Account Settings page, select Personal Information. This section controls your name, contact info, and the emergency contact feature. Inside Personal Information, find the emergency contact section and open it. Now click Add to create a new contact. You'll see a simple form to fill out. Start by typing the person's name exactly as you know it so there's no confusion. Next, add your relationship to them, such as family member, partner, or close friend. This helps responders understand who they're contacting and why they're relevant. Choose your emergency contact's preferred language from the list. Selecting the language they're most comfortable with ensures any urgent communication is clear and effective. Enter their email address. Make sure it's an inbox they actively check. Then add a phone number. This is often the quickest way to reach someone in an urgent situation, so pick a number your contact answers reliably. Be sure to include the correct country code before the phone number. You can select it from the drop-down list or type it in. Double check that the number is accurate. One misplaced digit can prevent a call from going through. When everything looks correct, click Save. This stores the contact on your profile. You should see a confirmation or the newly added contact appear in the list. To wrap up, click Done to exit the editing view and return to your account settings. That's it. You've added an emergency contact to your Airbnb account. As a quick tip, consider letting your contact know you've listed them and review this information before each trip to keep it current. Keeping your details accurate ensures Airbnb can reach the right person when it matters most. Thanks for watching and safe travels.